E-commerce might sound complicated, but these days it's easier than ever to start an online store. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that step by step. Let's dive straight in. 1. Do your market research. Before you start building your online store, you need to make sure there's demand for what you're going to sell in it. This means identifying a profitable niche, one where there's a lot of interest in the kind of things you're selling, but not so much competition from other sellers that your products won't get noticed. Here are some tools that can help you find a niche. Keyword research tools like SEMrush. Trend identification tools like Google Trends, Exploding Topics, BuzzSumo, and SparkToro. Ad platforms like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and TikTok Ads. 2. Pick an e-commerce platform. Next, you'll need to decide on the software that powers your store. There are plenty of e-commerce platforms out there, each with their own pros and cons. We've reviewed a lot of these on ecommercetricks.com. But for beginners, Shopify tends to be the best all-rounder. It's affordable, easy to use, and lets you sell physical, dropshipped, and digital products. So in what follows, I'm going to use Shopify as the example platform for building an online store. If you'd like to join along with what I'm doing, check the video description where you'll find a link to an extendable Shopify free trial. Click on that to get started. If you're not using Shopify to build your store, that's okay. Many of the steps I'm going to outline will still be relevant to you. 3. Choose your fulfillment method. There are several ways to fulfill orders, and the right one for you will depend on the kind of products you're selling. Here are a few key fulfillment methods to consider. Selling your own inventory, where you buy or make your own products, store them yourself, and ship them out after purchases of them are made on your store. Dropshipping. This is where you don't manufacture, purchase, store, or deliver your products. Instead, you take orders for your products via your online store and pass them on to a third-party supplier. The supplier then charges you and sends the goods to your customer. Print on demand, or POD. This is where you add your own designs to items like t-shirts, mugs, or posters. A POD service prints and ships them for you, but only after your customers have placed orders for them. Selling digital products, where you sell downloadable goods like ebooks, music, photos, or software. In the rest of this video, I'm going to focus on how to sell your own physical products. If you want to investigate other types of selling, I've put links to some guides on dropshipping and print on demand in the video description. But many of the steps I'm going to take you through will apply to building any type of online store. Once you've decided on how you're going to sell, it's time to get the components of your store ready. 4. Prepare your online store's assets. Before you start building your site, it's a good idea to have the following assets ready and all in one place. A business name, a logo, brand fonts and color scheme, product photos, product descriptions, and page content. Having these to hand will help you build your store more quickly and give it a more professional feel. 5. Choose a theme for your store. Shopify provides a wide range of free and paid themes that you can browse in its theme library. These can be used as the starting point for your store design. To pick and install a theme, go to Online Store, Themes in your Shopify dashboard. Then click Visit Theme Store. Choose your preferred theme and install it. You can then click the Customize option to tweak fonts, colors, and layout. 6. Add your products. To list a product, head to Products, Add Product, and fill in the key details about the item you're selling. These include product title, description, price, product images, and SEO details. 7. Create product collections. Collections are groups of related products, like road bikes, mountain bikes, or bike accessories. Collections let you create individual pages about product ranges, highlight products on your homepage, or run promotions on selected items. To create collections in Shopify, go to Products, Collections, and click Add Collection. 8. Add key pages to your site. Most stores need a few standard pages, including Homepage, About Us, Frequently Asked Questions (FAQs), Refund Policy, Contact Page, and Blog Posts. To create static pages in Shopify, like an About Us section or a Refund Policy, go to Online Store, Pages, and click Add Page. To create your homepage, go to Online Store, Themes, Customize. To add blog content, go to Content, Blog Posts. 9. Set up your store navigation. A clear main menu helps customers navigate your site. To set one up in Shopify, go to Content, Menus, and click Main Menu. Then use the Add Menu Item option to add links to your pages and collections. 10. Set up shipping rates. At this point, your store's in pretty good shape. You've got your design, products, and key content all sorted. Now you need to think about how much to charge your customers for shipping. In Shopify, you do this by heading to Settings, Shipping and Delivery, where you can decide whether to offer flat rate shipping, free shipping, weight or price-based shipping, or local pickup. 11. Set up tax rules. Depending on your country of operation and the type of products you're selling, you may need to charge VAT or sales tax. Shopify lets you configure this via Settings, Taxes and Duties. Tax laws can be complex, so it's a good idea to consult an accountant about your tax setup. 12. Choose a payment gateway. To accept payments, you'll need to connect your checkout to a payment gateway. Shopify works with over 100 payment gateways and offers its own solution too, Shopify Payments. This is the easiest to set up, and it's the only one that doesn't involve transaction fees. To enable a gateway, go to Settings, Payments, pick a provider, and follow the setup instructions. 13. Connect your domain. At this point, you're pretty much ready to put your online store live. Although you can do this using a free myshopify.com domain provided by Shopify, it's better to use a custom domain name. This makes your store look more professional and credible, and is better from an SEO point of view too. When it comes to purchasing a domain name, you can either buy one directly from Shopify or register one through a third-party provider like GoDaddy, Gandy, or Namecheap. To either buy a domain from Shopify or connect an existing one, go to Settings, Domains, and follow the on-screen instructions. 14. Prepare for launch. Before going live, it's best to double-check everything using a launch checklist. This involves performing a series of checks to make sure everything on your store looks right and works correctly before you publish it. Typical checks include proofreading copy, checking product details, testing forms, and making test payments. I've put a link to the full checklist we use at Ecommerce Tricks in the video description. 15. Publish your online store. During the build phase, Shopify stores are password protected, and you need to remove this password to publish your store. To do this, go to Online Store, Preferences, then scroll to the Password Protection section to disable the password. And that's it. Your store is now live. For more e-commerce advice, make sure you like, follow, and subscribe wherever you're watching this video. If you check the description, you'll find links to some useful resources on how to grow your new online business. I hope your new store is a success, and if you have any questions about e-commerce, do drop them in the comments.